Hey guys, welcome back to another D4 Guns video. Today we're taking a look at a Colt Detective Special chambered in .38 Special. As you can see, there's some light wear to the finish. This particular Colt Detective Special was manufactured in 1959. Making it a second issue or a second series Colt Detective Special. It's got the short 2-inch barrel, making it a little snub nose. A little more wear there, just a minor surface wear. Open it up here. Got the serial number there and there. Still functions properly. Overall in decent shape for its age. If you're interested in this gun or any of our others, check them out at d4guns.com.